Already learned how to divide decimals using the math method, doing normal division. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this doing a drawing method, so it's a way to kind of visualize what's happening when you divide a decimal number by a whole number. So here I have 3 and 21 hundredths divided by 3. So the first thing we want to do, like we have been, is draw our decimal number using base 10 blocks. So 3 is 3 ones, which means 3 wholes. So I'm going to use these base 10 blocks down here to represent that. So 3 wholes. 2 tenths means 2 of these rods, so I'm going to need 2 of them. And then I need 1/100th, and that is right here. Alright, so that represents 3 and 21 hundredths. Now dividing by 3 really just means that we're going to split 3 and 21 hundredths into 3 equal groups. So I'm just going to draw 3 equal circles down here, and that'll represent my 3 equal groups. Okay, now just like when we were kids, if you have a bunch of something and you want to share with someone, you basically say one for you, one for me, so on and so on. Okay, but the problem is I only have, and we start with the smallest one, and I only have one of these hundredths or these singles. So what I can do is I can take one of these rods and I can get rid of one of those rods and I can break it up into 10 singles. So I'm going to take this right here and add 10 more of these. So there's 2 more. That's 4 more. That's 6. And we need 4 more. That's 10 more. So when I broke that rod up, I got 10 more of those singles. So now what I can do is I can start divvying them up. So I'm going to put 2 in here. I'm going to put 2 in here. I'm going to put 2 in here. 2 in here. But I can't do that because I don't have enough for all of them. So it looks like I can put 1 in each one. But the problem is I'm going to have 2 of those singles left over, and I can't put 2 singles into 3 equal groups. So once again, I'm going to have to get rid of one of my rods, and I'm going to have to put 10 more to go along with these 2. So that means I should have 12 of them altogether now. And 12. And now what we need to do is split them up evenly into these 3 circles. Well, if I have 12, basic math just tells me I could probably put 4 in each one, and they would be evened out. Just like this. Okay, so now we have 7 hundredths in each one of our groups. I don't have any more rods, so I can't split them up evenly, but I do have 3 flats, or wholes. So I'm going to take one of each of these and put them in these groups, and then I'm all done. So each group is telling me what 3 and 21 hundredths divided by 3 would equal. So if I took this decimal number and split it into 3 equal groups, each group would have 1 whole, 0 rods, and it looks like 7 singles or 7 hundredths. Now if I check my work using a calculator, grab the calculator, and I check 3 and 21 hundredths, 3 and 21 hundredths divided by 3, I should get 1 and 7 hundredths, and I do. That's how you do the drawing method with division of decimals.